Thank you for joining us today. My name is Michael Hebda. I'm the product manager for ExpressPCB, and today we'll be covering
our free software, which is available, that includes both schematic capture as well as printed circuit board layout. We have two versions, our Classic and our Plus. Both software packages do come with an ExpressSCH. They have the same basic features and layout from our menu structures along the top and the sides in terms of being able to zoom, place components, symbols, place wires to connect, etc. And you will find the only difference between our Classic and our Plus version of ExpressSCH is going to be in our component and symbol manager, and that is with regards to our SnapEDA automation. This connects you with the SnapEDA libraries and allows downloads of millions of parts and symbols. These are all validated from SnapEDA and available to you. They're validated with the manufacturers of those components, so there's no worry about the accuracy of the pads, pitches, pad shapes, etc. That you might normally have a concern with when reviewing data sheets. And this makes our jobs a lot easier as design engineers. This integration is going to be the same whether you're looking at our ExpressSCH Plus or in our ExpressPCB Plus software. You will see a login that does track your history for downloads and components that you've utilized. So whether you are working back and forth between ExpressSCH or Plus, you'll know which parts you've downloaded and worked with. They also support several other different software packages. So if ExpressPCB isn't the only one that you are working with, or you find that somewhere down the road that you are going to head in a different direction, you would still have the history with SnapEDA and then be able to download those parts accordingly. Here's a sample of some of the parts that I've downloaded in the past. They sit within our library inside the custom components. It's just a quick and easy selection and insert, and then you're free to connect with wires as you so choose within the design. Quick and easy, nice and simple to use. This is again available in both our Classic and our Plus softwares. With our Classic version, this is our original software for PCB layouts, and this was originally started in 1998, so we've had quite a number of years and quite a number of customers who tout the ease of use and the quality of the products that we create with ExpressPCB. The Classic software will have a very simplistic menu structure across the top, and you'll find that the menu structure for editing and inserting components on the left-hand side of your workspace is going to be very similar between Classic and Plus. The same placing of pads and holes, components, lines, editing of the traces, text, polygons, etc. The one difference will be some of the view toggles that we have in Classic, where you're turning on and off some of the layers for visibility, as well as some of the features that you are limited to for our services. So with the Classic, you'd be limited to 1, 2, and 4 layer designs. The via sizes are a little bit larger, as well as the trace minimums of 6 mils, where inside of our Plus software, you'll see a little bit more modern look, a little bit more information on the left-hand toolbar, but you will find that we have 6 layers of copper available. One other subtle difference between our multi-layer products for Classic and Plus and ExpressPCB Classic, our inner layers are limited to just being power and ground planes, so it's just going to be thermal connections and splits of that nature. Inside of ExpressPCB Plus, you do have the option to route traces and have signal layers, etc., or mixed signal and planes. So it gives you a lot more flexibility inside of our Plus software. We do go down as small as a 10 mil via for what we would drill in manufacturing. It's actually listed as a 6 mil via in our drill sizes. When you go through a 6 mil hole, 23 mil pad, we also do 5 mil traces inside of ExpressPCB Plus. But again, same menu structures down the side for inserting holes or pads, components, traces, lines, etc. So a lot of the same look and feel, a little bit more description in the menus on the left, but you'll notice that there's a lot more information along the top that gives you a little bit more flexibility and control over things. So if you need to make the subtle change with how a trace ends or an angle which it's drawn, you can come up here and make the edits for that particular element that you've selected. Gives you a little bit more control and being able to specify exactly what you would like to look at. Instead of being down in the bottom left, our visibility menu we do have up here in the top, but functions pretty much the same as it does in our classic software. You'll notice that there are some other things in terms of our component properties that's available up here to edit. So instead of classic, where you would go back and you might have to right click and then look at your component properties to change, names or part IDs, etc. Inside of our Plus software, it's just a little bit easier, a little bit quicker to access. So it's laid out very, very much the same as ExpressPCB Classic. We've tried to maintain that easy to use and quality that our customers have come to know us for. Again, one of the major differences with our Plus version of the software with our components is you will see an import from SnapPDA, which is available both through the part menu on the left-hand side or from our file menu as well. And with that, you'll see the same integrated pop-up. This one I happen to be logged into. A quick and easy search, just to use the same sample that is found below our splash screen. It takes a quick moment to come up, but you will get a list of a variety of parts, different manufacturers. They all come with a link to take a look at your data sheets. Symbols are available, footprints. By clicking on any of these, you'll see a sample of how the footprint is laid out. So you get a nice preview, kind of double check what the pad structure is, get an idea if that is the part that you're looking for, and see how they change. If you're looking for something that's more of a ball grid array versus doing a standard dual pin component, whatever fits your design and needs. They're all available here, and again, once you're logged in, you can do the download. It's a nice and easy process. And now the part was converted, available for use. And we can even go right away and we can place the new part right now. So there we go. And the system, and you're able to connect with traces, etc. Add it to your designs, quick and easy. And then within all of our software packages, you are connected right to our manufacturing services. So just by going to our order boards, do a quick save. So automated DRCs are included with our Plus. I'll do a quick undo with this, since that violates a bunch of rules, having components outside of our board outline. And then just to go back through our automated quoting form, you'll see our different services here. As long as they qualify, you're able to select that which fits your needs best. From our mini boards, they'll be limited to a 10 square inch maximum. Inside of our Classic, that's a very fixed outline of 2.4 by 3.5 inches. It's just a straight rectangle. Inside of our Plus, you have the flexibility of anything under 10 square inches being available for that. Additionally, our Proto Plus service is now changed to be any quantity less than 10, as opposed to being a fixed quantity of 4. So we've added a bit of flexibility for our customers, both in how they can order our manufacturing services, as well as what you have available for tools inside the software itself. If you're looking just for a quote inside of our automation, you can fill out all of your shipping addresses and different things, choose your ship method. You don't need to go into billing or anything. As long as you choose your service for manufacturing, build time, and quantities, and set your shipping, you can get a price. It's not any commitment to order or buy. It gives you an idea of what your design would be cost-wise, both for lead times or for any quantity adjustments that you would want to take. So if you go out to 5 days, change the price, and you can see that we drop down a little bit lower. And once you're ready, you can feel free to fill out the billing information, and then you're able to place your order. It comes right to us securely. No issues, no hassles, everything all from one software package for you. We look forward to seeing you as a customer for ExpressPCB. If you have any questions, you can contact us by email at support@expresspcb.com, or on our website. You will also find a chat normally in the bottom right hand corner. Thank you very much.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe for future content. You can also comment below if you have any questions you'd like to have us answer, or if you have a topic that you'd like to have us cover in the future.